said. Though the visit particularly featured the sale of attack helicopters, Demir stated, the defense authorities of both countries assessed the trade of air, maritime and land platforms including tanks and modernization of armored tanks, training vehicles, drones and multi-purpose helicopters. Demir highlighted that the national defense policy Turkey has been implementing with dedication in recent years draws worldwide attention. The president of the defense industries emphasized that the first concrete step of the agreement with the Philippines will be the export of the ATAK, a helicopter with an outstanding performance on global platforms. Developed by Turkey's leading defense industry firm Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, the ATAK is a new generation, tandem, two-seat, twin-engine helicopter specifically designed for attack and reconnaissance. Developed from the combat-proven Augustusland A129 CBT, the new aircraft incorporates a new system philosophy with a new engine, the LHT-CCTS 804A, new avionics, sight systems and weapons, a modified airframe, an upgraded drivetrain and a new tail rotor. A series of talks have been held with various countries, including Pakistan, for the export of attack helicopters, which have proven themselves during operations with their superior capabilities. In this context, ATAKs have participated in various international events as part of these efforts to showcase its capabilities. Recently, TAI's corporate marketing and communications head Tamer Osman said that the company applied for a license to export 30 attack helicopters to Pakistan, and the firm expects to receive the license in a short while. Meanwhile, undertaking important export contracts throughout the year, the defense and aerospace industry has achieved the highest export figure before even seeing the full impact of these developments. The Turkish defense and aerospace industry reached its year-end export target before December, hitting 1.